Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most intriguing mysteries of our planet. Let's start with the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Covering an area of 5.5 million square kilometers. It is home to over 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects. One of the most exciting things about the Amazon rainforest is that it produces 20% of the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. This rainforest is also known as the lungs of the Earth. Moving on to the boreal forest, which is also known as the taiga forest, is the largest land biome on Earth, covering about 17% of the Earth's land area. It is located in the high latitudes of the northern hemisphere and is characterized by its coniferous trees. The boreal forest is the largest terrestrial carbon sink and plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth. Another example is the African savanna, which is a vast grassland ecosystem that covers almost half of Africa. The savanna is home to a variety of animals such as lions, elephants, and zebras. It is also home to some of the world's most endangered species such as the African wild dog and the black rhino. Moving on to the temperate rainforest, which is a rare type of forest found in few parts of the world, including the Pacific Northwest of North America, New Zealand, and Tasmania. These forests have high-level precipitation and are home to some of the world's most beautiful and tallest trees such as the coast redwood and Douglas. Let's now talk about the mangrove forests, which are found in tropical and subtropical regions, mostly along the coast. They are characterized by dense clusters of trees with their roots submerged in water, and they play an essential role in preventing coastal erosion, protecting against storms and hurricanes, and serving as a breeding ground for marine life. Mangrove forests also provide vital resources for local communities, such as shellfish and timber. Moving on to the boreal forest, it is also known for its unique feature of permafrost, which is a layer of frozen soil that covers much of the forest floor. The permafrost plays a critical role in regulating the global carbon cycle as it stores large amounts of carbon in the soil. However, due to climate change, the permafrost is thawing, releasing significant amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which can accelerate global warming. Finally, let's talk about the cloud forests, which are found in mountainous regions with high altitude, high humidity, and persistent cloud cover. These forests are home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal species, including many that are found nowhere else on Earth. The cloud forests play an essential role in regulating local and regional weather patterns, and they are also vital sources of water for nearby communities. The research suggests that biodiversity hotspots such as the Daintree rainforest in Australia and the cloud forests of Ecuador are teeming with species because they have been ecologically stable for long periods of time, allowing evolution to forge ahead undisturbed. The findings highlight the threat posed by climate change to some of the most extraordinary places on Earth and the importance of giving nature the protection it needs to thrive. The authors of the studies, ecologists, have long sought to understand why some areas of the planet are extraordinarily rich in species. The research set out to find an answer by focusing on the Cape Floristic region in South Africa, a non-tropical heartland of biodiversity, with around 10 times as many native plant species as the UK, squeezed into an area a little smaller than Belgium. The international team of researchers, including scientists from the University of UK, Nelson Mandela University, and the University of Cape Town, mapped the distributions of nearly all of the region's 9,400 plant species from the king protea to the red disc. They found that the region's richness could be largely explained by the fact it had not experienced major changes in its climate over the past 140,000 years. Previous scientific theories have suggested productivity, where large amounts of energy flow through an ecosystem, might explain biodiversity hotspots, but the researchers found this only played a minor role in the Cape Floristic region's thriving variety of life. In conclusion, the big different forests we find on Earth are fascinating and incredibly important ecosystems that support life on our planet. They provide us with vital resources, help regulate the Earth's climate and weather patterns, and are home to countless plant and animal species. We need to do everything we can to protect and preserve these forests, not just for their beauty and wonder, but for the health and well-being of our planet and generation. So if you want to help protect these forests, there are many things you can do, such as supporting organizations that work towards forest conservation, reducing your carbon footprint, and educating others about the importance of forests. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that these forests continue to thrive for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.